Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And for that you will have some ways for. Let me show you the first one. It works with the buttons. So we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside or to highlight something, or here at the corners, pretty nice, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. After you can share this edited part here, or with the arrow, you will send it directly to your gallery. But the coolest way to have a screenshot is with the edge of your palm. So just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. So one more time, take the edge of your palm, swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. You know where to find the screenshots after, of course, here at the gallery. And here the pictures, they are mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera. So this is why I recommend to you to always go to the albums, because the screenshots will have their own folder here only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.